is back to life. Back to life. Hey, in this video I'll share with you guys how I clean my oven using just baking soda and vinegar. You can see how dirty our oven is. So let's clean this together, folks. First thing, take out the racks or any removable. Place our racks in your sink or whatsoever. I will use hot water. I'll add some detergent. Soak it up. I'll make some baking soda. I'll mix this up with water to form paste. So this consistency is okay. So now let's apply this right all over our oven. So after applying our baking soda mixed with water all over our oven, we'll then set this aside. You can apply it even on the glass. You can leave it for 30 minutes, but I might leave it for overnight. I'll mix my vinegar right into this sprayer can. And welcome back. Good morning from here. So we left this soda right in here all through the night, and this is what we got. And right in our sink we have our trays, you can see. So let's start by cleaning this up first. If you have iron sponge, you can use iron sponge easier. After scrubbing, so now let's clean this up. Start taking this off. After cleaning out our baking soda, and this is what we have. Alright, so for every other hard residue stain out there, we're gonna use vinegar. So let's sprinkle the vinegar. You can see there's a reaction. See the reaction of the vinegar? I'll soak this right in the water and I'll dab it off. This is what we got. Everything properly cleaned up without any expensive gear or chemicals. And this is how you clean your oven at home. Thank you and subscribe for more. Now our oven is back to life. Back to life.